Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will tell you 5 interesting Windows 10 shortcuts which can be useful for you in many ways. So, let's get started. If you want to know the properties of any file or folder, you can do it only using 2 keys. Just select the file or folder and press Alt plus Enter. Another shortcut of Windows activates the snipping tool which lets you to capture specific part of the screen. Press Windows key plus Shift plus S and then drag to capture specific part of the screen. As you can see here, I have captured the desktop wallpaper. Next we have another shortcut which is used to minimize the current open window. Press Alt plus Space plus N. When you press these keys together, your current open window will be minimized. This shortcut is similar to the last one. In this one, you have to press Window key and D together to minimize multiple open windows at once. Now this last shortcut lets you see the history of copied text in Clipboard. First select and copy the text, then press Windows key and V together. In the right bottom corner, a small clipboard box will pop up. Here you can see whatever the text you have copied.